Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut mendirang bahak ke jelau berkemi ikatranat penroisor basnya bahalang dahar uloang bagi Jingpynïeng ya ke Meghalaya Urban Parking Policy arajar pausan kenlong ban Pyrkhing ya ke Jingpynïeng kali Pathar Shilynter Surok kemudian hai ke Jakasor ke jela kena menweng ke Jingpynïeng kali khamtam handang ba shalong habakaran cikilat pethai kubor wasnya bahalang uloang bagi Jingpynïeng kam ya ke parking policy ke nyerap ban penduna ke Jingpynïeng kali Pathar Hasurong kena ba onam dan menu-menuru belak ban Jingpynïeng kali kat baman Shilynter ki Surok.
Oh, this is a continuous process of modifying all these things, and you know very well, even this some parking is yet to come up very soon, and even from the Urban Affairs Department, they have recently passed a parking policy on for urban, which should help immensely, I should say, because parking policy, especially for road strict policy. So this is one of the remedial measure, and the other parking is coming up maybe in very short times. And the other issue, you know very well, police traffic is maintained very well about this issue, traffic issue. And yes, of course, whatever we say, traffic is still there, and that is one of the reasons why we decided to move to the new city, new secretariat. That is one of the reason. I think maybe after we shift to the new secretariat, maybe in 3-4 years, it will drastically improve on everything. So for the time being, yes, we have to be a little bit way out. And from the government side, we are discussing and we are doing things every now and then, every day. We didn't sit idle, you know very well. Sometimes police keep changing the road one way to way, all this because we reduce traffic only. And I have seen at least for the last few weeks, one is a little bit improved, not like before. It's really crowded, and especially when the school start again, then again it will be, you know very well, it will be traffic again. But we will try to modify so many ways how to reduce traffic. The reason the parking policy for urban, especially for road strict parking, that is the main reason to reduce all this road parking, and it will be implemented in a very short time. Policy has passed, we modify the rule, and no one can simply park blindly on the road, and that is will reduce traffic drastically. Only there, you know very well, there is as of now no other parking bay because of the people park randomly. That is the reason traffic increase from day to day. That is why we passed a policy this last few weeks. Which road we can park on the side, but they have to pay parking. That is the meaning of parking policy, especially in the urban areas, especially for the road street parking. Government will work nicely on the runway. We never work under pressure. Yes, suggestion is accepted by us, no problem. Everybody can suggest, can advise, no issue. We will work accordingly. Don't worry on this. It won't hamper development. No, now from the people department, they have prepared one estimate to resurface almost all the bedrock in the city. We are waiting for that. Almost something, I think. From people, not from me, not from number.